If you ride with me, you gotta work for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat.
Like, welcome home, we missed you so much, yada yada yada.
Gotta worry when tomorrow comes.
Hello.
How are you?
Put you in the driver's seat.
You're coming inside the spa or the nest?
The nest.
The nest. Come to the beds.
Yeah.
Alright, take left reception or go to car park.
Okay, thank you.
The exit is that side.
Oh, okay. Thanks. Like on one of his vlogs.
Gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Gotta hurry in the love.
This is cold.
When you ride with me,
It's called a peacock. There's a peacock in the water. These are swan. These ones with the long neck.
The girl is hiding her face because she's very tired and her face looks crusty as hell. I had the privilege to visit Birds at 30, which is one of the largest bird parks in Harare. It is situated along Borodo Road, about 20 kilometers away from Harare city center. It is haven to about 187 species of birds. I'll leave their details down below, their Instagram, their number and everything.
Europe. It's a European common shoulder.
So how does it survive here?
Most of these ones have been bred here. We imported the parents long time ago.
The conditions, are they conducive for the birds?
Yes, so that's what I'm trying to say.
Oh,
they've
they've
been
been,
here,
yeah,
so
okay.
they've acclimatized.
Oh,
Even if
okay.
they're not bred here, Zimbabwe Jaira, it takes a couple of months for them to acclimatize.
When they're still babies, like, do you lose any of them? Do they die?
Yes, even the adults die. Birds are
shame.
very sensitive.
No.
Yes,
Is this a symbol of wealth?
it is.
Don't you change it up? Oh my god, I think it's making me. Oh my god, okay. Okay. Zoom for you.
Swan baby.
These ones. Come see from here. I don't see swan babies, bro. Oh, I don't see them. Wait, let's see. I'm blind. I wear glasses. So, yeah. They're so white. Look at them. They look so fluffy.
They gave birth to them last night.
Oh, so
And
they
the
already
face is so
so
clean.
Yeah, the face is
Oh my goodness. Hi, congratulations. Wait, so is that two moms or is that a dad and a mom over
the
there?
mom and the dad. The mom is on the nests, and then the male just stays.
Protecting. See what you should do
For
as
the whole
men.
duration of the incubation period,
Wow.
4 weeks.
And you
As
guys
it
can't
should
even
be
do that
with
as humans.
Who are you guys? who is you guys?
You men. You Zim men. I won't even hide it. You Zim men. You men in general.
Oh, and swans are monogamous, so
Serious. And humans aren't. Yeah, they're not. Clearly. Oh my god, they're so. He said that was so much fun. And he knew. He knew as he was saying it's good.
Bombastic side eye,
Hi.
criminal
You
offensive
like it? It
side.
looks old. It looks scary. I can't do that. It looks like it wants to say hello. Or maybe it's hungry. something something, and you can't tell the difference, but you can. For the blue wax bill you can, and for this one you can tell because of the difference in color. You can see the difference. So they are here. We're going to get in. Hi. Hi.
I don't recommend that.
I know. Oh, look at this one. Look at this cute one. Hi. Wait, what's this one called? It's called. Oh, look at this.
It's skip leg day. Oh gosh.
It's called an African wattled lapwing.
Oh wow. What do you mean you saw three? I saw two.
Hi. Do you speak or you just bite?
So if they bite,
There's no cage, yeah.
are they like tied to something? Because
In Amara here.
Healthy protein.
Is it written? It sounds icky.
Both? Yeah.
Oh
It
yeah.
may sound icky. Both parents can produce crop milk to feed a flamingo chick until it's old enough to eat on its own. That means the males also,
Produce milk.
yeah. So they also, well, it's not breastfeeding, it's mouth feeding,
Throat producing and mouth feeding. Okay.
There's no visual difference. Their diet is crabs, snails, and something else.
That's a
I guess crabs make them pink or red. I don't know.
maybe it's
It's either
only the
shrimp
ones.
or crabs. We should ask them. Maybe I'm wrong.
This is found in South America. This is so pretty.
okay, okay. Look at this one. This one doesn't want to be left behind. They pick up their food with their bills, throw it in the air, catch it and swallow it.
Like that side.
It's laughing. Oh yeah.
Hornbills
Oh
make for
yeah.
life. Can't you water and oh, you no, that's actually laughing. He is laughing.
Nah, bro. He's ridiculing us.
They made for life.
Why are you so happy saying that? Like, they made for life. You're like, oh my god, here's a prime example that it is possible to mate for life, guys. They do mate for life. Hornbill facts. Who does it say that? You're lying.
Females, it says it here.
Oh wow.
Underline and bold that bitch. Peekaboo. Ah, get back.
What if it's okay? Let's do it. Do it again. Do it again.
Peekaboo. Ah, you see? Peekaboo.
This bird is having too much fun. It's
Yeah, I know. I'm scared.
why are you putting your bag there?
Put my hand.
Okay, goodbye, sir.
Oh, this big one. Oh, hi. This is called hornbill. Hi. This is ugly. It is eyebrows.
Wait,
Eyelashes. Sorry, eyelashes. On the eye.
really?
Do you want mascara?
Mascara for bird.
Those have like proper lashes. This is a white old one.
Oh my god.
Oh, you know what? This is the description. What's it describing word?
An adjective.
Yeah, so this is the adjective.
What? Glossy?
Shouldered, breasted,
bellied.
bellied.
Oh, wattled. Okay. We are jizzing over the English vocabulary.
Do you know how many colors does a zebra have?
2.
It's 3.
Liar.
I promise. There's black, there's white, and then there's the brownish color. Is actually a color. I'm not lying. I'm not
Liar.
I'd never lie about something.
There's a brownish color where, Tino.
No, not on the bird, on the zebra, on the
Yeah,
actual
but
zebra.
where on the zebra?
You see that there's a white, then there's a brown line. Wait, listen, come on, I'm serious.
Okay, yeah.
I actually am serious.
There's a what?
There's a white line,
Mm.
then there's a black line.
Yeah.
And then the white one, which you think is dirty, is actually brown.
Oh.
No, I'm serious. You need to take me serious. I'm
No,
serious.
it makes sense. I'm just recording you
It's
while
not
she says this.
dirty. It's
Yeah,
brown.
it's in the minutes. But she said the zebra has 3 colors.
No, give me the phone.
Did you find it?
I did.
Okay, so why didn't you show me?
Because I was using the phone.
Why are you looking aside?
Looking at the facts.
Oh. Who lied to you that a zebra has brown?
It's called tan. It's actually written.
Oh, okay. Anyways,
Let's focus
let's focus on
on the
birds.
written facts. It has 3 colors.
Hey, we're going to Google this when Nyato sit down. Guys, she did that. They actually have a shit ton of birds here.
It's a lot. Rose-headed. See?
I think. Do you know what I think? I think. Oh, look at these ones. I was literally about to say I feel like they become less interesting as you go.
Lillian birds. They're called Lillian lovebirds. They're called Lillian lovebirds. Maybe that's why you fell in love.
Do these
just
ones mate
now.
for life?
No. Oh.
These birds need a mate for life. Oh. Well, they didn't say they mate for life. They said
They
they need. What if they die long?
Anyway, it's only 10 to 12 years their lifespan. This is
They're
one of
found
the
in Malawi,
smallest
Mozambique,
parrots
Tanzania, Zambia, and northern Zimbabwe. Where's northern Zimbabwe?
Actually
Like,
wanted to
like
ask.
who's in northern Zimbabwe? We are in what?
found. Central.
I'd like to give a disclaimer that I do not do geo. Of the two of us, I think she would know better. Oh wow, these legit look like some version of flamingos, I swear. Oh, look at
As
the
with
beak,
flamingos,
so
the
long.
brilliant red color comes from keratin found in its food. You were right.
Yes!
She wasn't lying after all.
Oh, sis, this is 3 color zebra. Oh wow, look how high they sit up there.
That's actually interesting. There's one leg.
One leg.
Fighting the other one. No. They have 2 legs. But they're standing on one.
I think it does that thing that the flamingo does when it's resting.
Oh,
Where it like,
sleeping.
yeah, no, it's moving its head.
Oh,
But
so
like,
it's resting. So
yeah.
it's just on 2 legs.
it rests on
On
one.
sorry.
So like, Hansi, that for the flamingos, it also helps like regulate their temperature or whatever. I don't know. Okay. Shoddy, my little birdie.
Okay, interesting. What a day to hear a bird.
What a day for your totem
I know,
to
right?
be a bird.
No, I'm excited. This is my totem. There it is. That's me. That's
Oh, that's like your actual totem.
Yes,
What's it called in Shona?
African fish eagle.
What's it called in Shona?
Wungwe. I'm a wungwe.
African fish eagle facts. Can you read? I can't see.
Okay. I can't read, bro.
But
But it's written.
wait, I can
somewhere.
zoom
We'll
in.
take a picture. But anyway, this is okay. In Zimbabwe, the African fish eagle is called hungwe. That's my totem. That's on period. Come,
Oh,
come, here. Hi. Come say hi. Hi, hungwe. Do you know what my actual thing is?
you what?
The item. My item was a shiri. Just chatty work.
Chachi boo boo boo. Wait, that's literally in the.
I can Google that for you again.
That's so funny.
Sorry, they have very distinctive appearance. Brown body with striking white head, large black wings. Their tails are white as... Okay, that's just a description.
Look at that last part. Fish eagles have a very distinctive yodeling yelp. It's like yodeling.
It is called... What?
It is a call that has become
known
as the sound of Africa. Oh, that's so cool.
I am your leader. I am your leader. This is a Zimbabwean bird. Did you know?
You so fly.
Literally. You know this is the Zimbabwean bird though. Like on a reel. The one on the flag.
Oh, this is the one on the flag?
So you
So
see how
very important. Nay.
You're in the presence of an important person. Speak to me nicely.
I yield my respect. Bird. Or you just say Tanyepa, guys.
Okay, Tanyepa, guys. No way I'm muting that.
This is the bird that's on the flag, yo. Don't quote us.
So if you guys watched that part already, then this is a correction. Corrections. We have come to the end of the tour. This was actually really nice.
Yeah.
And
It was so worth it.
very interesting.
Yeah,
And we only
come see
paid.
the birds. Not just the birds, but the birds. Birdie. It's a flirting thing.
Yeah, but these days
This
it's
little
shiri.
birdie.
Yeah, but thing is, Zim guys call us shiri. Like shiri yakazongo for type.
Yeah,
So-
Mm.